Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hyperlink an image here in Canva. This is a super useful feature, especially if you're designing promotional materials, social media posts, or even product listings for your Shopify store. Adding clickable links to your images can drive traffic, make your designs more interactive, and boost engagement with your audience. So, let's get started. I have this image here, and we're going to hyperlink this image. Now, this image is actually in a Canva frame, but don't worry, you can still hyperlink an image that's inside a Canva frame. The process is just as easy as with any other image. Now, all we have to do is simply click on the image, just like this. Once the image is selected, we're going to come to the three dots in the top right corner. From there, we'll scroll down to where we see Link right here. If we click on Link, we want to add the destination URL right here. For this example, I'm going to put my YouTube channel URL, but you can put anything you like the link to a product page on your Shopify store or a landing page for a special offer. Once you've added the URL, simply click Done. Now we know this is hyperlinked because when we click on the image, we'll see the link appear right here. This is a quick way to verify that your hyperlink is working. If you want to edit this link, you can easily do so. Just click on the little pen icon next to the link, and then you can relink this to whatever you want, whether it's a different product, a blog post, or a contact form. If you decide you want to remove the link, all we have to do is simply click on Remove, and that link will be removed, leaving the image unchanged. So, as you can see, that's how to hyperlink an image here in Canva. It's a really simple feature, but it can have a big impact on your designs. Whether you're linking to your Shopify store, a special promotion, or even an external affiliate page, it's an easy way to make your images more functional and interactive. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're feeling more confident using Canva's hyperlinking feature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And if you want to stay updated with more tips, tricks, and tutorials, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.